Hello, I'm Davis is showing you a brand new drilling machine today. It is mainly aimed at our cabinet panels. Realize a process of drilling a hole. 来，上产品。Well, just now our master has installed it. Let's take a look, a finished product that has already been made. This machine is mainly for drilling holes. You can drill through, it can also be achieved without piercing it. Either way, it depends on your process requirements. The entire panel is not damaged. You can take a look. It's very smooth. It didn't break. You can see that this is a punctured hole. So it can be adapted to any speed matching according to one of our process requirements. It is also realized through one of its numerical control operations. It's very convenient and simple. What about the largest processing size? It can realize a processing of a length of 3 meters. Very convenient. What about this drill bit? We can achieve a drill from 5 millimeters to 30 millimeters. A drilling at any hole position can be realized. Very convenient. This one uses a numerical control screen as a way. Also used CNC. And what you can see here is a touch screen. It's very intelligent and it can support Chinese and English. And the language you want to customize is fine. And here you can see that there's a screw and 2 linear guides. Its accuracy can be controlled within 0.5 millimeters. Achieve precision drilling within 0.5 millimeters. What about this machine? It has a universal structure. The universal structure can be moved at will. This plate, we have more than 3 meters. 3 meters to these large boards of 3.6 meters can be realized. A toggle from any angle. It's convenient for us drilling. That's the end of the video. Interested friends, welcome to private message me in the comment area. I am the eldest cousin of Hongyang Machinery. I'm waiting for you at the factory. Bye.